This is a clock and a dome church. It means it's 4 o'clock right now. What is it? And we right now, it's a колокольня, ворота Таллинского большого городища, Bell Tower, the gate for the great castle of Tallinn. This is where we are right now. And this is observation, so we can see it. It's a facing north. And this is the connection between small and top city, big castle and small castles. So Picky Jug, this is the long legs, and then we was before by the short legs, going back by the long legs, going this way. Cobblestone road, so which is made in 11th century. So guys, you can imagine I'm walking by the cobblestone from 11th century. Very beautiful, clean. This is the Swedish consulate here. Swedish flag. Restaurant Tanker. Pikajala restaurant. Now it's calling Tanker. This is light. Night time, you can see it. It's a little Toyota to get here. Oh, so much happiness. They move this bird's way. Pikajala. So this is the people live like this, and it's very small. Look at this roof. They need to be cleaned up. Поросла мохом, вся зеленая. See, this is the old way how to get water away from the roof. It's very creative. And this is also the picture of the long legs.